guys, what's up? How you doing? Okay guys, do you know that single mothers are the best? Yes, single mothers are the best. Do you know why I say so? Because single mothers, they have learned a lot. Like some people now they talk say she don't want pikin, so because of say she don't want pikin, she no be wife material again. No, you don't know wetin make that former relationship crash. You don't know why she and that guy they no dey together. You understand? Now one thing or the other must lead to friends separation. You understand? So you don't know wetin make, whether maybe the parents of that girl say no, say you cannot, say she cannot be able to marry the guy, or the parents of the guy say they cannot be able to marry the girl, or maybe the relationship maybe in a quarrel na lead them. So at the end, or maybe it's not be in husband, because some people they marry another person's husband. Yes. Some people they marry another person's husband, and if you marry another person's husband, that marriage no will ever last. So some people now, if they born pikin,